I put in a lot of effort, and even till the last shot, I was just fighting with all energy that I had. And this was a bronze, but I'm really grateful that I could win a bronze for India. Maybe better next time. Yeah.
Manu, just take us through the final few moments and final few shots. What was going on in your mind?
Honestly, I read a lot of Gita and all. So what was going through my mind is just do what you are meant to do. Do what you are supposed to do, and just leave whatever the destiny. You can't control the outcome of it. So in Gita, Krishna says to Arjun that you focus on your karma and not on the outcome of the karma. So only that was running in my head. I was like, okay, just do your thing, and let it all be.
Manu, from Tokyo to here, take us through what all the emotions have been and what is going on in your mind right now.
Okay, so after Tokyo, I was very disappointed, and how the team events turned out to be for me were not very good. It took me a long time to overcome that. However, I came back stronger. So what is now is what matters. Let just the past just remain in past.
Okay, Manu, just can you tell us after the qualification what was going in your mind and how you prepped yourself for the big day today? I mean, you have been in so many finals, but this was long time coming.
So as soon as the qualification round was over, I was actually looking forward to the finals, and I was like, I don't know how things are going to be. I have worked really hard, and I don't know what's going to become of me tomorrow. How difficult it's going to be tomorrow, because I know all the people, all the people from India are here. So many people are here, and I'm so happy that so many people came to cheer for me, cheer for India. And this medal is all for all of us, not just for me. It's a teamwork always, and I'm really grateful that I was medium to win this medal for India.
Manu, talking about teamwork, you just opened the account. It always feels the contingent needs a push. You have been the first one to get a medal this time. How does you feel like the first medalist from Paris will be Manu Bhaker?
Honestly, I hope like India wins as many medals as possible, because we have worked really hard to come this far and to stand here. It's just in the moment we have to put in all the effort that we can, and just leave all of this on God, leave all the destiny, the outcome, everything on God, and just try the best that we can. And I don't see it as an opening or anything. It's just like India is yet to win many medals. So I mean, it's a very good feeling. I can't explain how good I feel, but at the same time, I have many more matches to shoot. Tomorrow I have another, then day after, then again sports pistol. So,
Manu, a lot of people are watching. Amongst them, there'll be some friends and family. What do you want to say to them?
I want to say to them, thank you so much for sticking by me in my hard times, and I really owe it to all of you that I'm here today, standing here strong and trying my best in every single event, every single time I'm putting the best effort. It's because you make my life so easy. It's not just the people, it's not just my family and friends, but so much more. Like my coach Jaspal sir, the pistol, like the Morini people, they've supported me so much. These through entire so many years, and my sponsors OGQ and I'm with Performax. So all these people have made my life so much easier. The talks came, and yeah, that's all.
Manu, thank you so much for talking to us. Congratulations again, and hopefully